The Workstation Classic from ACI Laser GmbH enables companies to mark individual parts and small production runs. The compact protective housing was specially developed as a manual workstation with an automatic door opening for use at small and medium-sized companies. Permanent and wear-resistant markings are possible in combination with an ACI laser with low costs and high speeds. An electrical safety cover door with integrated laser protection glass ensures safe operations in line with Laser Protection Class 1 regulations. The door opens and closes automatically when the laser marking process starts or finishes. The Workstation Classic can be set up in a flexible way and is perfect as a desktop workstation because of its compact dimensions and low weight. It has an interior light and provides space for parts with a surface area of 340 mm by 360 mm. The electrically powered Z-axis allows parts to be marked at various heights. Two integrated focusing lasers enable the focus to be set easily so that the system can be modified for different parts in a very short time. A preview function makes it easy to rapidly position the part in the workstation. Depending on the application, the Workstation Classic can be adapted to the marking task at hand with a suitable ACI laser. When configuring the system, it is possible to use ACI ND-YAG, fiber or CO2 lasers. The system can also be equipped with a rotary axis for seamless all-round markings. Permanent and wear-resistant markings are possible on a wide variety of materials, and they are used, for example, in tool making, the automobile industry and in research. Communications are handled via a USB interface. The workstation can either be controlled through an intuitive control panel or the marking software. The Workstation Classic from ACI Laser. ACI lasers made in Germany.